Man has been in search of riches for thousands of years. Some treasures hide in unlikely places. There is great value locked in waste biomass. Since 2006, Inventure Renewables has been a pioneer in the development of process technologies for the rapid, low-cost, high-yield extraction of sugars and proteins from low-value cellulosic biomass. These sugars and proteins can be used as the building blocks for a vast range of industrial chemicals and fuels. Inventure's patented processes were created for the real world. Our practical solutions can plug into a broad range of established supply chains to add value, turning waste and byproduct streams into profit streams.
Inventure is a discovery company, or more accurately, we're applied development. So our business model is to create technology. We take it from bench to pilot to pre-engineering to engineering to build stage. The overarching goal of Inventure is to take technology in all three areas. So what I mean by that is lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. We look at the ag business space and we try to find areas where there's byproducts and wastes where all the value is not being extracted.
One of Inventure's core technologies is its patented mixed supercritical fluid process.
Inventure uses the mixed supercritical fluid extraction technique to harvest biomass. So we can take biomass, put it into our mixed supercritical fluid reactor. And what happens is the biomass, which is really tightly bound together, under these supercritical conditions, the biomass will be unraveled. And then as it's unraveled, reactions will also start to happen with the biomass. We will actually start to cleave the biomass, which is this long polymer, into smaller components. By using mixed supercritical fluids and a special formulation of these, we can lower that temperature and we can lower that pressure that the reactions occur at. Therefore, we can operate at lower temperatures, lower pressures. That in turn leads to lower capital cost and lower operating cost. Since we can operate at lower temperatures and pressures, we do not have to use exotic equipment. There's no expensive pumps. There's no exotic metals that we have to use. We can use standard off-the-shelf equipment.
Inventure works with many top agribusinesses, including Wilmar, a leading producer of palm oil.
In the case of Wilmar, they're the world's largest palm plantation and palm oil refiners. And what we found with Wilmar is that they have multiple byproduct streams that are generated from their palm milling process. So what we do is we look to plug into their business, find where we can add value through the value chain.
Inventure processes add value across the supply chain. We turn byproduct and waste streams into profit streams.